The first baddie in this universe, and all I do is murk, equipped with hella gadgets, got no power but leave you alert. Finally made a wish, and I used it to get newer youth. Always got a plan, while you others got no clue at first. Planes, I got ships, you should hop up in the ride. I'm insane, but I'm lit, I will treat you like a prize. Got a hole up in my trunks, all she really want is mine. Dragon Ball's name's Pilaf, means I'm perfect on the side. Look, it's the mercenary, here's the hearse you carry. If I don't get carried away and leave you with a corpse to bury, I'm still using an act to come kill you with the text. And when I leave the scene, got kill you written on my back. I'm maintaining the cream, my form is limitless style, but no man, woman, the child.
Stop playing music. Today is the Exempli Gratia of diverting emotion through nature's flawless design. In presenting my perspective, I do not demand that you adopt this as your own, only to see if there's anything to be gained by acknowledging the reality that this expression represents. I call this wisdom-ism. Enjoy. In this system, the word attack is used as a referent. It represents a living being conceived by an individual to be the cause of their exhibiting or experiencing any particular emotion. Also, in this system, the word manifestation is used as a referent. It represents something inanimate, conceived by an individual to be the cause of their exhibiting or experiencing any particular emotion. Note that the word manifestation includes inanimate objects that move, i.e. a door, a drawer, or a car, and inanimate objects that deliver secondhand, indirectly, i.e. a television, a radio, or phone. Over the next several posts, while using the Atlas system, I'm going to show you how to construct an algorithm while using the emotion of blame. However, for next week, I'm going to share with you my expression, Superman.